Are you ready to dive into the Huawei Mate 60 Pro? This device is causing quite a stir, and we're here to uncover what makes it so special. We'll explore everything from the unboxing experience to its stunning design, camera capabilities, performance, and more. So let's get started. Let's start with the unboxing experience. Inside the box, you'll find the standard accessories, a SIM tray tool, warranty card, and an instruction booklet. What's remarkable here is the inclusion of a clear case that not only protects your device, but also adds an elegant touch. You'll also discover a USB-C to USB-A cable, and the star of the show, an 88-watt charger, ensuring speedy top-ups. Moving on to design and build quality. Huawei's legacy shines through with the Mate 60 Pro. The device features a black glass back with a textured grip, offering a premium look and feel. An interesting detail is the subtle smiley face, sporting the Huawei logo, a charming touch that adds character to the device. And let's not forget the camera setup. 3 powerful lenses, including a periscope camera with an iconic red accent button. All of this is packed into a surprisingly lightweight device. Now, let's talk about the display. It's a real showstopper. The Mate 60 Pro boasts an expansive AMOLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate and LTPO technology. What sets it apart is the subtle quad curve design, adding an elegant touch without being overly aggressive. The display delivers vibrant colors, razor-sharp details, and, notably, the absence of a notch. Instead, you get a sleek triple-hole punch housing the selfie cameras. Getting tactile with the Mate 60 Pro, you'll appreciate the well-placed physical buttons, the volume rocker, and the essential power button. These buttons feel sturdy and responsive, enhancing your daily interactions. An additional perk is the IR blaster at the top, for those who enjoy controlling their electronics with their phone. Let's delve into the camera prowess. Huawei has set high standards, and the Mate 60 Pro doesn't disappoint. It boasts a primary 50-megapixel camera with a variable aperture, an ultra-wide angle lens, and a periscope camera offering 3.5x optical zoom. This camera setup empowers you with versatility, capturing photos rich in detail. Thanks to the variable aperture, even low-light shots shine. Plus, the dedicated macro mode lets you explore up-close photography, capturing intricate details with ease. Under the hood, the Mate 60 Pro houses the Kirin 9000S, Huawei's in-house processor. While it may not break benchmark records, it's a reliable performer, handling all your tasks with ease. With a generous 12 GB of RAM and a whopping 512 GB of internal storage, you won't have to worry about running out of space. Multitasking becomes a breeze, apps open swiftly, and gaming becomes an absolute joy. When it comes to battery life, the Huawei Mate 60 Pro doesn't disappoint. It's equipped with a substantial 5000 mAh battery, designed to keep you powered up throughout the day. Thanks to Huawei's smart power management and optimizations, you can expect reliable endurance, even with heavy usage. No need to constantly reach for the charger. The Mate 60 Pro offers some nifty extras, including smart sensing features like Air Scroll and Grab Shot, adding a futuristic flair to your daily interactions. The phone's proximity sensor and 3D face unlock sensors work seamlessly, ensuring a secure and convenient experience. Stylus support is also on the table, catering to the creative souls. And, of course, the beloved always-on display makes a return, keeping you updated at a glance. For those who crave data speed, the Mate 60 Pro is 5G ready, offering blazing fast speeds. We put it to the test, and it lives up to the hype, whether you're streaming content, engaging in online gaming, or simply browsing the web. 5G ensures you stay connected without a hitch, even during data-intensive tasks. So, here's the million-dollar question. Is the Huawei Mate 60 Pro worth the investment? It undoubtedly stands strong in the smartphone arena, especially if you're drawn to Huawei's design philosophy and their reputation in the camera department. The Mate 60 Pro presents a sleek and powerful device that checks many boxes. However, when it comes to sheer performance, it may not surpass some of its premium competitors. What's your take on the Mate 60 Pro? Would you consider making it your daily driver? Share your opinions in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to stay tuned to tech without borders and for more up-to-date tech insights. Until next time, take care.